To record your laptop screen, click on your keyboard, Shift Windows R, and it will bring out the snipping tool. You have the option to either snip your screen, which is recording it as a video, or snip it as a screenshot. But I'm going to drag and cover the part of the screen I want to be recorded in this video. Once you've done that, this recording tray will come up. You can click on start here to start recording. This is where the recording will be counting, and this is your audio. So I'm going to unmute the microphone. So I'm going to be recording my audio if I want my microphone audio recorded. And you can also allow your system audio to keep recording, or you can keep it mute if you don't want the sound source from what you're recording to enter the video. But I'm going to leave all of them on, and I'm going to click on start. It will count down and it starts recording. You see, you can pause your recording from here. Once you're done, this is where you stop it from, and it's counting the recording. Let's just do a demo now. Let me go to my browser. If I'm doing a story, I can say the story behind it. Once you're done recording, I'm going to click on stop, and it opens up this window from here. You can click on here to save your recording. You can click on here to copy your recording. You can also click this trim, Control E. You can from these edges and trim it how you want. When you trim it like so, you can trim the edges of your recording and you apply it from here. And it's saved. You see it has reduced it to 19 seconds from 21 seconds. Or you can just edit it with Microsoft built-in video editor, which is editing Clipchamp. If you click Clipchamp, it's going to open it up and ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account, and you can continue to edit with Clipchamp. I'm going to minimize this. Now I'm going to just quickly save it. Maybe I want to edit it in another editing software. I'm going to click on save, and I will choose where I want to save my screen recording, and it's being saved as an MP4 video, and I will click on save. Just something to note here, this shortcut that we use, Shift Windows R, only works on Windows 11 laptops. It doesn't work on older versions of Windows. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.